Hello everyone, welcome back to another Watchin. I'm excited today because I've got some box openings lined up coming in. We're going to check out all kinds of cool stuff, but this one is actually for my March Whatapen subscription. Before we get to that, to keep it watch related, I'll do a quick wrist check and you'll see that I am wearing that Doofa watch that I had received on my Watch Gang Black membership from last month. I also have my new Watch Gang Black membership lined up, so we'll be doing that too. But stay tuned for a follow-up review on this one. I've got a few thoughts on it, and I will let you in on a rookie mistake I made while sizing the bracelet. It'll be interesting if any of you guys can guess what that mistake is in the comments below. Also, I have a watch that came in, guys. It was a wheel spin watch from Watch Gang. It's one I purchased quite a while ago, or I spun the wheel quite a while ago. And it was kind of before the world changed. So I have a Russian watch that came in. And honestly, I'm not sure what to do with it. I thought about making a video. I thought about not making a video. I thought about putting it on a shelf and just letting it sit for who knows how long. And I don't know what the correct answer is just yet, guys. So I'd love to hear your thoughts on that. Part of me wants to do a box opening, if nothing else, to show you the watch, but to also support the company that it came from, because they said they're going to stop importing Russian watches for the foreseeable future. They were the largest importer of Russian watches here in the US, and they do a lot of other watches as well. So they may need some support to keep moving some of that other product. So if you're not familiar, haven't watched the other videos, this is my monthly subscription from Whatapen. And the best part about the subscription from Whatapen is the personal touch from Randall. So looks like we said, oops, looks like a leprechaun spilled his pot of gold at the beach. Hope you enjoy my dry humor and the twist pen, Randall. So I've gotten so many pens from Randall. I love them all. They're all different and unique. This is actually the pen I received for February, and it is a fountain style pen. If you didn't see that in the box opening before, it has taken a bit to actually get used to writing with the fountain style pen. I tend to get ink all over my hands, and but a lot of people comment on this pen and actually really liked it, more so than I would have imagined. They all want to try it and see if they can write with it. I mean, I've showed in my previous videos that I have horrible handwriting, so it's kind of weird that I like pens so much. But here is what we received from Whatapen. Also, guys, I will put all his links below: Facebook, Instagram. You can see what he's working on and his website, so maybe you can sign up for the pen subscription and get in on it yourself. Man, that's a cool looking pen. I can tell you what I'm writing with tomorrow and the rest of the month, just because it's a new style, and maybe it'll bring me a bit of the luck of the Irish, right? People always complain that I don't write with the pens and should. And this one actually is really smooth. It's a little bit stubbier than some of the other pens, but it's a nice twist pen. Now that I said stubbier, maybe it's not. It just feels different in my hand. Huh. And actually last month's pen is a little shorter, so I don't know why it felt just different in my hand. So it'll be nice to write with this one and see how it goes. But there is a look at my March subscription from Whatapen. Like I said, check out Randall's pens in general. Check out the other videos I have from Whatapen. There's a ton if you want to get an idea. Some of the pens that have really caught my eye in the past that I bought off subscription, make sure you go ahead and run through those videos lists and check out those pens. Let me know what you guys think of this one in the comments below. As always, guys, thanks for watching.